Where? Show me where you're feeling that pain. The main problem in the back as well?
Yeah, the back is, the pain is actually, there's a spot here.
Yes.
Right there, which is giving a very sharp pain in certain positions. And then the pain is radiating to my butt here and into the front and onto, it's pulsating pain onto the knee.
A bit of history on when did it start again?
This pain, back pain, it's been there on and off for years. So it's not like, it hasn't been this bad, but it's been giving me trouble especially when I play golf. So if I finish a game of golf, the back would be aching a lot and I'd have to lie down for a while.
Yes.
But otherwise, walking and standing wasn't too much of a problem. But lately, even standing is an issue now. If I stand for too long, it starts hurting.
How long?
Half an hour, 20 minutes. If I walk, which should actually be good for you, but it actually does more harm. So I need to again sit down.
Yes.
The last couple of days, I have to certainly put myself in a position to lie down, figure out where it doesn't hurt, and then just stay still for a while. And that's been like that. And the minute I move to go to the washroom or something, it starts all over again.
And does it hurt you?
It's a very sharp pain in one little spot there.
Yeah.
And then it just starts radiating everywhere. The bum, here, everywhere.
Yes.
It's only on the left side at the moment. But I remember this having happened to me about a year ago, a couple of years ago.
Yes.
Actually. And it was more on the back side, more sciatica type. This is more femoral on the front side, but that's the first time I've ever had it.
Let's get on to it. Does it affect you at a certain part of your golf swing?
I don't know. I haven't been playing.
You haven't been
for
playing
a
at all,
while,
no?
So, but it wasn't giving me grief playing golf with any sharp pains. It was just giving me grief having a back pain after the game. Right now I'm having these sharp pains, which is trouble now for me. That's why I've come to see you, really, because otherwise I was just bearing with it all these years.
Let's get to work.
Yeah.
Lie on your front, please. Seat. Firstly, we're going to utilize some laser. Okay.
So that sharp pain is right there.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Can you feel that?
I can feel the beat going.
Now I want you to bend side to side. Now I want you to twist to face me and then twist the other side. Twist your body. Keep going. You want to restore as much healthy movement and motion in the spine as possible. Keep going, twisting. Okay, now I want you to bend forwards. Forwards all the way, all the way. Good. And back. Now arch back, push back, good. Forwards. Back. Forwards. And back. Okay, good, back to neutral. Relax for me, nice and easy, nice and relaxed, doing well. Nice and easy. You're going to feel the pressure lower down as well. The table's going to give. Good. Turn to your side, sir, facing me. Bend you. And the other side. Lie on your back. Give yourself a hug. And come from underneath and open. Needed that. Needed that. Relax the arms.
Oh, 3-4 clicks at the same time.
Come on up for me, sir. So we stand. Good. Walk around. Bend forwards. Perfect. Come up. Bend backwards. Oh, beautiful. This way. And this way. You feel like feel smoother?
Yeah, smoother than before.
Excellent. Different compared to before when you walked in?
Yeah.
Good.